In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can turn off push notifications from Phoenix on your phone. So when you download this browser, you're always going to get a notification on your mobile phone. It's very much annoying. I'm going to show you guys how to turn that off. In my previous video, I showed you guys how you can turn off the breaking news. You can see I'm getting no breaking news and my notification. Let me show you guys how to do this. So on here, just launch your browser like this and move to your Me here, which is your account. Move to your settings here. And then you navigate to your notifications. If you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to my channel. And you can see here we need to turn off our push notifications so we don't receive any breaking news stories or top stories from local headlines. So now let's turn that off. And good. We are not going to get any notifications from this browser. Let me turn this on and you are going to see the news bar on here. So now let me turn it off once again. So that's it on how you can turn off push notifications on your Phoenix browser. If you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to my channel. Peace.